Good morning. This is Dave with the National Weather Service. Today is Thursday, January 8th, 2015. We're going to talk about a rural ground blizzard which is expected today. What to expect? We expect ground blizzard conditions to develop primarily in rural areas of northeast North Dakota, northwest Minnesota this morning, shortly after 9 a.m., continuing to 6 p.m. today. Visibility will be a quarter mile or less at times in open and rural areas. Winds will increase from 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts to 50. And again, that's in northeastern North Dakota and adjacent Minnesota counties in the Red River Valley. And winds will also be strong throughout the rest of the region as well. Reduced visibilities and falling wind chills will also occur. Again, with those wind chills from 30 to 40 below will develop throughout the region later this afternoon, continue tonight into Friday. Taking a look at our highlights, our hazards. These are the winter weather advisories and warnings we have in effect currently as of 5 a.m. Thursday morning. A blizzard warning is in effect for the northern Red River Valley, including the Devils Lake Basin, from Devils Lake to Grand Forks, the Thief River Falls, and points north. That starts at 9 a.m. and continues through 6 p.m. Further south, we have a winter weather advisory in effect for the same time, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., and we will have to watch for the potential for blizzard conditions even in portions of these areas as winds increase throughout the region. We're just not sure how much snow will blow around in these areas, especially in the southern Red River Valley where there currently is not much snowpack, but it's something we need to monitor closely. So we're going to look for strong northwest winds to increase right after 9 a.m. or maybe even toward 8 a.m. in the far northwest portion of the Devils Lake Basin, getting into Towner County down to Devils Lake. Those winds should arrive in Grand Forks probably between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. and move into the rest of the Red River Valley into Minnesota around noon or shortly thereafter. We are expecting an inch of snow for most areas, especially in the north this morning, potentially up to 2 inches in some spots, but probably right around an inch. And that snow, in combination with the snow that has fallen over the past week, will blow around quite a bit in the northern valley. So we're looking for light snow for most areas, strong northwest winds spreading from west to east, and that blowing snow and reduced visibilities through the day. And this especially is going to be an open country ground blizzard, so conditions in larger cities and towns may not be so bad, but once you head out of these towns, conditions will deteriorate quickly. Tonight, winds will slowly diminish through the evening, and visibilities will slowly improve, although cold and dangerous wind chills will develop. So once again, stay tuned for later updates, but we are expecting ground blizzard conditions to develop in rural areas this morning and continue through this evening, especially in the northern Red River Valley into the Devils Lake Basin. We'll continue to monitor areas further south as well for the potential for ground blizzard conditions even moving into these areas.